Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Downloader, which will allow you to access the files from my website, and therefore you can stop using the ES Explorer. In the previous video I showed you how to do a workaround to get ES Explorer to work, but you might find that using Downloader is a lot simpler. Now what you need to do is you first have to install it. So come to the very top left of your Amazon main menu and go to the search. And you want to type in Downloader, and you don't probably need to type the entire thing out. As you can see at the bottom, it starts giving you options as you start typing letters. And so looks like you're going to have to type a little bit more. Download. There we go. Well, I almost had to type the whole thing. So Downloader right there. So go ahead and click Downloader, and you'll see it's this orange icon with the arrow pointing down. Go ahead and click it, and that'll bring you to this screen right here. Some of you may already have it, in which case you won't have to actually do this process because it's already installed. But if not, it'll say download. It might say you own it, it may not, but the bottom line is you just want to click this yellow button with the cloud, and it'll say queued, and then start downloading. This should only take a few seconds, and there we go. Now it says open, so we click open. It gives you some notes about the latest version of Downloader. Click OK, and then you can see that it's already, the cursor is at the URL address bar. But what we want to do is we want to come over to the left-hand side. So just click your remote to the left-hand side, go to Favorites, click Favorites, and then on the very top right where you see the three little lines that's now highlighted in yellow, click that, and we're going to say add a new favorite. We're going to name it, we'll just call it, as we always have, MFM. Okay. And now the next thing you have to do is you have to put the website URL for my website. So we'll go ahead and do that. It's, oops, I don't have to do the HTTP, it's already there. So we want to do MFMAN22.com. I'm going to do /. MFM22 /. Now we want to get capitals A, P, and K, and then say next, and then save. All right, so now that we have it saved, all we have to do is select it. And the reason we want to save this is so that you don't have to type that in every single time, obviously. So now when you select it, it's going to tell us that JavaScript is disabled. That's okay. We don't need to have it enabled for this process, so just click OK. And then you can see all the files on my website. You now get this little red circle, which you just control with the arrow keys on your remote, and it's kind of like a mouse pointer. And so now let's say we want to download any one of these files. You just got to make sure that the little circle is on the file itself. So like, let's say I wanted to download Cyberflix, I would click that, and as you can see, it starts to download right away. And actually, I find it to be a little bit quicker than the other one. And then from this point, it is the same as always. You would just come all the way to the bottom right, click install, and so forth and so on. So you can use either way. You can either do the workaround on ES File Explorer, or you can download this Downloader, but I would certainly, at this point, suggest going to Downloader. I think it's a more stable application at this point, given the issues that are going on with ES Explorer at this time. So if you have any questions, just send me a message over Facebook messaging. And until the next video, we'll leave it at that. Thank you.